Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an Upwork agency account. If you're looking to expand your freelancing business by managing a team under one agency profile, this process will help you set that up quickly and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Upwork.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're signing in with the credentials associated with your personal Upwork profile, as this will serve as the foundation for creating your agency account. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Account Settings. This section houses all the important configurations for your Upwork profile, including the ability to create and manage agency accounts. Once you're in the Account Settings area, look for the option labeled New Agency Account and click on it. This is where you'll begin the process of transforming your individual presence on Upwork into an agency that can operate with multiple team members and handle larger projects collectively. You'll now see a field designated for your agency name. This is an important step because the name you choose will represent your business identity on the platform, so take a moment to think about what best reflects your brand and the services you offer. Type your chosen agency name into this field, ensuring it's professional and memorable. After entering your agency name, shift your focus to the right panel of the screen. Here you'll find a Continue button. Click on this button to proceed with the setup process. This action will move you forward in configuring your agency account and getting it ready for operation. And there you have it. You've successfully started the process of creating your Upwork agency account. This setup allows you to manage a team, take on bigger projects, and grow your freelancing business to the next level. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.